So just standing by to confirm actual contact between these two vehicles. Again, there's some alignment guides that look like giant metal teeth sticking out from both the space station and Cygnus. They will come into contact first. The crew just doing some minor tweaks to the position of the vehicle and the arm right now. And once they get satisfied with that and everything lines up, they are starting to move now. Again, this final half a meter between Cygnus and the space station. Those alignment guides will touch one another, and it will give us 4 green lights here on the ground that the vehicle's ready to be latched. This is sort of the back of the room view of the both the robo console. You can see them there intently watching their data. Up in front of them is Oso, the operations support officer. They're also watching their data. Just getting ready to actually latch Cygnus to the station. And they just informed the flight director that we do have 4 ready to latch indications. They will now go through the process of taking the pressure off the arm once these latches start going into motion.
Houston, we've got 4 RTLs. As you can see, we're ready to pick up with the Node 2 CBM capture A-bolt. Houston, howdy, cop, Space Ground 2.
We're back with you. I heard your call, Rick, but we lost the TDRS and structure. We concur, and you are go for steps 1 and 2 and 1.512. We need AOS for steps 3 and 4. And Rick, did you copy my last?
No, Rick, you dropped out. Say again.
We show you in steps 1 and 2 and 1.512.
Yep. Step 1 is complete. We're working step 2 at this time.
And we're going to wait until we have some stable comm to move beyond that in the procedure.
Okay, we understand.
So the crew right now kind of in the midpoint between the final push of Cygnus into the station and the actual latching and bolting of the spacecraft to the orbiting complex. The flight rules say that they have to have good comm to do this.
5, 6 minutes before we're ready to continue on once you're done 1 and 2.
Okay, no problem.
So they're going to hang tight for about 5 or 6 minutes until they get better communications with the space station and the ground to proceed.
Houston, steps 1 and 2 are complete. We'll wait at step 3 for the good comm.
Okay, copy. Thanks.
Again, they're just standing by for a few minutes, and they'll pick up the procedure once again. There's a couple more steps I have to do before they engage these latches. They've got to verify that all the exercise by the crew members has been halted. Because as you can imagine, if you're trying to shove 2 spacecraft together on the end of a 58-foot long arm, you don't really want somebody running on a treadmill shaking the station. So
until we have stable comm, in the interim, we've can confirm stable attitude control, and the Russian thrusters are disabled in step 3. And if you guys can verify all exercise is halted, we'll give you step 4 as soon as comm is back.